interest to contest the Flagbearership race?
It doesn't worry us at all, and some of them are even rumors. For instance, you heard that there was a news item that I had declared my intention to contest as a flag bearer of the party, which of course wasn't true. As I have said, it is the new executive that will come after us that will be able to put down the guidelines governing the process. So you don't even have the people who put down the guidelines, not to talk about breaching the guidelines. So our major concentration is with the current election of getting the people who will be issuing the guidelines in place first, and then they will be able to determine who is in breach of whatever guideline and so on. So at this stage, we have ignored, I mean, those who are declaring intentions left, right, center, because it doesn't give them any advantage. It doesn't take anything away from them, and so on. So we are
the unity walk that
yes.
The former president seemed to be headlining most of the time.
Yeah.
Is it a party event?
Well, I would say yes and no. Yes, because this unity walk is normally initiated by the regional executives of the party within the region. But the national executive had not planned anything like unity walk. So, like the one I attended in Tamale, I was invited by the regional executive to participate in the program, and I did. Unfortunately, the one that happened over the weekend was happening within my own region, but because of certain other things that I was engaged in, you know, I was prominent in Parliament when we were dealing with this issue about investigating the seat for sale issue, plus other engagement prevented me from participating in the Sunyani one. So to the extent that this is a program that our regional executives are initiating, it may well be that some people may be behind it, pushing the regional executives. But once we see the regional executive planning it, and there don't appear to be any law preventing the regional executive Suomotu from initiating such activities, we cannot from national level order them to stop.
Well, we'll look at some Facebook comments, but before we do that though,